Hi, I'm Vector, and this is Bind, a 2D skill-based platformer with bite-sized mechanics. And welcome to devlog number 5. In this video, I'll be showing you a tip that has saved me so many hours of game development. As a coder myself, every time I develop games or prototypes, I code everything, and I mean everything. But as this project started to shape up, I realized that for level design, things start to slow down significantly if I code everything all the time. So I wondered, what if there's a way for me to speed up my level design? After considering a few approaches, I looked at one of the simplest solutions I could find: Unity events. Those are events that can be triggered via code. And the best part is, I can set it all up via the inspector, which is the Unity's object editor, essentially. The solution for me was to create a structure in which I wanted the objects to behave, but instead of doing the details such as playing music or stopping a particle effect, I then would add the Unity event so that all of these details would happen in the inspector, and then I could tweak and change things without too much effort. Here's one of the examples that I used for the interaction objects. They're triggered by the interaction orb. And if you're curious about the orbs, watch the previous devlog to know more about how they work in this game. So, as you can see here, I basically have one event for each case and possible trigger. That way, I can make different things happen without even touching the code. And that is how I saved so much time during development. I know this sounds kind of basic, but sometimes those tweaks in the workflow while developing the game help us complete tasks so much faster. Now, this solution is not perfect, and it does not cover all cases. The next step from this would be to start developing some tools for my game, so that level design is even faster. One good example to look at would be a GMTK's game, in which he developed a bunch of cool tools to help him with level design. I'm still very far from that, but it's a good reference to have, I think. I would not recommend this for everyone, as every game is different, but if you are taking too long to iterate your game and level design because everything is hard-coded, then just try it. It could really save you precious time. And that is it for this video. If you're enjoying this series where I share the development process of Bind, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next episode. This devlog was a bit more technical, but I think it's cool to share some of the behind the scenes and the infrastructure of the game development. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.